Today I'm going to do some work on one of my guitars. Here I have my Mexican Telecaster. It's a 1993, and I believe that I know that because the serial number on the headstock here starts with the numbers, well, it has two letters and it starts with the numbers 93, and if I remember correctly, that means that this was made in 1993. It is not an American Tele, it is a Mexican Tele, and you can tell that it's a Tele because of the way it is. No, I'm just kidding. I'm sure there are more facts about Telecasters that could be known, but some of the basic features of a Telecaster are this body shape, the headstock shape, and the configuration of these pickups. It's really common for Telecasters to have the two single coil pickups. Of course, people will put all sorts of pickups in guitars. I suppose another feature is where the volume and tone control knobs are, and the pickup selector switch. They're all down here on a Telecaster usually in a line. Looks like this. So literally you can tell it's a Telecaster because of the way it is. So it's really not anything super special, but I sure do like to play it. I actually got this on Craigslist. A friend of mine actually found it for me, and I was out of town, and so he secured the Craigslist deal and purchased it, and I paid him back when I came back into town, but he took care of this guitar while I was gone. It was pretty corroded on some of the hardware here, and so I know he spent some time cleaning it and really got it looking in better shape. I think he even did some setup on it for me. Anyway, it's just been a great guitar, and I was really grateful for him doing all that. But the hardware has been super corroded, and it's always been a little bit ugly and can't really be cleaned up anymore. And so I finally went ahead and ordered myself some new hardware. I have the bridge plate here, goes this way, and then I went and ordered this plate to replace here as well. So I'm going to replace those today, and while I'm at it, I think I'll change the strings as well, because I'll have to have all the strings off anyway, and this guitar is also due for a string change. So let's get after it.